General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi has exposed South Africa as a mafia state. A mafia state is a state ran by criminals. When a doctor sell medication under the counter, whereas patient do not have medication in clinics and hospitals. When amazamazama, illegal mining is owned by a politician. UNhlanhla Mkhwanazi athi the infiltration ayipheleli on other departments, even if iyafika naku-justice system. This is visible by a constant political interference. That this interference began in 2009 in the dismantling of Amascorpion. Amascorpion were the best in dealing with corruption, and a politician decided to dismantle Amascorpion. It continued even the dismantling of the political killing task team. UNhlanhla Mkhwanazi athi uSenzo Mchunu, uNathi Mthethwa, noBheki Cele have all been using their power as minister back then to get rid or to control investigation involving politician. Athi bonke labantu laba, all these former ministers of police have ties nama-criminal syndicate. Uphinde athi dining ayipheleli only to politicians. Even high-ranking officials now have ties and they benefit from the corruption yawo politician. But this is not new. Izondo Commission exposed state capture. Also, like the killing of ama whistleblowers proves how strife and how rampant corruption is la in South Africa. South Africa is ranked number 7 in globalized organized crime index. Ngithola number 7. Sikhompyutha ne-Afghanistan, sikhompyutha ne-Iran, sikhompyutha nge-Nigeria, nge-organized crime bafethu. Ngithola uNhlanhla Mkhwanazi uphinde aqhubeka athi the state has failed to provide order, has failed to provide stability, and have failed to provide security to the people. Hence, everything like in this country is dysfunctional. South Africa has become a heaven for criminal syndicates. We have the taxi mafia, we have the tender mafia, we have the construction mafia, we have the illegal mining, amazamazama mafia. Not only do we have like the domestic mafias, we have the Israel mafia, we have the Nigerian mafia, we have the Chinese triads, we also have the Mexican mafia, all operating la in this country. So you see, if Askafi in a complete mafia state, says close kakhulu kabi. So what do you think about this? Do you agree with South Africa is a mafia state, or South Africa is moving close to a mafia state, or there's still hope for Tina Abantu?